Hello everyone, today we are talking about this Wi-Fi thermostat. We've been using about 4 years now and it is doing incredibly well. As you can see, once you press the button, it will light up the screen. Also, there is on the top, there is another button that, let's say at night, you just want to press the button and see the current temperature you have. You can do that. You can see right now it's closed. You press it, it will just light up. And on top, you can set up the time. We didn't set it up, but you can see the humidity level and it shows the current battery life. And over here you can control your fan. You can just turn it on or leave it on auto. And if you connect it to your heat, you can see this is on the heat right now. It will turn on the heat, and over here you can switch to the cold, or you can just completely close it. And over here, once you press this button, you will see a bunch of menu options. And this, as I said, this has wireless option, and you can control everything with your cell phone. It has an application you can download and use it. I'm not using it with the application, but you have the option. You can schedule, you can do a bunch of things, whatever the outdoor temperature, indoor, and you can put some conditions. And yeah, you can press this and exit out. Overall, it works really well. You can easily see, so for example, you can easily see the desired temperature you want, and it shows the current temperature in the room. That's how it is. And the installation was super easy. So over here you will just pull it slightly and release the back plate, and you can see we only have two wires, which is white and the red. So and it's marked with the labels. And right now you can see this is the back of it. It works with two AA batteries, and you can see it just uh, also has built-in leveler. When you install it, you can level it. So overall, that works really well. We really like it. In case you want something you can control from your cell phone while you are away, you can set your temperature. You can just do whatever you want to do with the settings. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.